Hello, Shawn Needham here with Sickened, How the Government Ruined Healthcare and How to Fix It. Almost 20 years ago, I started a revolution. I realized our healthcare system was broken. Through my pharmacy, my wife and I realized that this sick care type of medicine, it's not working, and we wanted to change it. We wanted to educate and empower consumers. Fast forward 18 years, that's how my book came about. And guess what? You, the consumer, are empowered to change your own health. Not a health insurance company, not the government. Yes, Sickened, How the Government Ruined Healthcare. I said it. The government ruined it. Download my book. Find out the history of how the government started these problems. Yes, they caused them. They're not going to fix them unless they get out of the way. Guess what, though? You can. You are empowered to fix your own healthcare. You want to learn how to save $15,000 a year? You want to learn how to save possibly hundreds of thousands of dollars on a hospital bill? Find out how in my book. Sickened, How the Government Ruined Healthcare, a 6-step solution on how to fix our healthcare problem. And guess what? You're in charge. That's the most important part. Sickened, How the Government Ruined Healthcare and How to Fix It.